Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 17th, 2025, and we're diving into State Street's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. State Street has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. State Street reported a total revenue of $3.41 billion for Q4 2024, marking a 12% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
State Street's revenue growth is primarily driven by a 13% increase in fee revenue and a 10% rise in net interest income. The fee revenue growth is broad-based, with significant contributions from servicing fees, management fees, and securities finance. Additionally, the net interest income benefited from higher investment securities yields and robust loan growth.
EPS and analyst expectations. State Street reported an adjusted EPS of $2.60, which is above the analyst forecast of $2.42. John, how significant is this beat, and what does it indicate about the company's performance?
This is a notable beat, especially considering the forecast was based on a survey of 7 analysts. The adjusted EPS of $2.60 reflects State Street's strong operational performance and effective cost management. It indicates that the company is not only meeting but exceeding market expectations, which is a positive signal for investors.
Strategic initiatives and business momentum. State Street has been making strategic moves to enhance its business momentum. Can you elaborate on their recent initiatives and how they are impacting the company's growth?
Absolutely. State Street has achieved over $1 trillion in new AUCA wins, which is a testament to their strong sales performance. Additionally, they reported a 20% increase in management fees and $64 billion in net inflows, driven by innovations in their product and distribution capabilities. These strategic initiatives are positioning State Street for sustainable growth.
Expense management and operational efficiency. Let's talk about expenses. State Street reported a 14% decrease in total expenses. How has this impacted their operational efficiency and profitability?
The decrease in expenses is largely due to the impact of notable items. Excluding these, expenses actually increased by 8%, reflecting higher performance-based compensation and technology investments. Despite this, State Street maintained a strong pre-tax margin of 28% and an ROE of 12.7%, showcasing their ability to manage costs effectively while driving profitability.
Capital and liquidity position. John, how is State Street's capital and liquidity position shaping up, especially in the current economic climate?
State Street's CET1 ratio stands at 10.9%, which is a slight decrease from previous quarters due to increased capital return and business growth. They returned $770 million to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends. Their liquidity coverage ratio remains stable at 107%, indicating a strong liquidity position to support ongoing operations and growth.
CEO's vision and future outlook. Finally, let's discuss the leadership's vision. What did CEO Ron O'Hanley highlight about State Street's future outlook?
CEO Ron O'Hanley emphasized the importance of sustainable growth and maintaining expense discipline. He highlighted the company's strategic priorities, which include transforming their operating model, enhancing capabilities, and returning capital to shareholders. O'Hanley is confident that these efforts will provide a solid foundation for 2025 and beyond.
Key takeaways. In summary, State Street has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with impressive revenue growth and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and disciplined expense management are paving the way for future success. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing State Street's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on State Street's performance in the comments below.